What if the moon just vanished? No warning, no goodbye. Just gone. Sounds crazy, right? But what would really happen to Earth? The moon isn't just a glowing rock in the sky, it's crucial to life on Earth. Without it, things would get weird, fast. First, the tides would shrink. The moon controls most of Earth's tides. Without it, oceans would calm down. But that's bad news for marine life that depend on tidal rhythms. Next, Earth's spin would go wild. The moon helps slow us down. Without it, our days could shorten from 24 hours to just 6-12 hours. That's for sunrises a day. Animals would lose their sense of time. Weather patterns could go crazy, and Earth's tilt might wobble, causing extreme seasons and climate chaos. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember it's not just pretty. It's protecting us, keeping life on Earth balanced and calm. Want more crazy space what ifs? Hit like, follow, and tell us what should disappear next.